speech from Alvin Darien was phenomenal. As a single mother of one, it was so inspiring to hear him discuss more about investments, planning for my retirement, and definitely giving me more jewels to focus on.
Hello everyone, Alvin Darien here, live at the Thompson Hotel in Buckhead, Georgia. I'm going to be one of the presenters and speakers for the Forever Woman Conference. Now I tell you what, some of you are very busy out there, but you're not productive. My goal is to make sure that you have the blueprints to success. Blueprints over busy will be my topic.
Alvin Darien did an amazing job. And something that he said that I took away from the event is you need to have your 5 M's in place.
I want to break down. The only way to close the wealth gap is the 5 M's wealth blueprint. You need $1 million in life insurance. You need $1 million business, a business that can cash flow $1 million. You want to make sure you have $1 million in business funding. The next M, you want to have $1 million in real estate. And then the last M is $1 million liquid. If you get the 5 M's, you will change the trajectory of your family tree. You will change your last name. You will be the one when they talk about at the family reunion or at the Sunday dinners that we did the 5 M's.
Special shout out to Natalie Nicole. Thank you so much for being an amazing coach. Dr. Shaniqua Nicole, I want to give a shout out to her. And Dr. Sonia Lewis for the introduction. And I want to give a shout out to the Financial Pro Network family. I know some of you can't make it out, but I tell you what, I'm going to have some footage and I'm going to have some insight inside of the Facebook group. So make sure you join the group. I look forward to serving you. I look forward to working with you. See you in the room.